Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you where you can buy a Get Well Soon gift card in the Zomato app. Just open the app, click on your profile in the top right corner, scroll down until you find the money section and here tap on buy gift card. Now you can move these titles to the left to find the promotion option, tap on it, and now you can select the design. There are three of them. You can adjust the amount of money you would like on the card and also add the personal message. If you are satisfied, then click on continue, and then you may have to verify your phone number and adjust the payment details. That's basically it. I hope it helps.